up, y'all? This is Duana, aka Glamazon1026, and welcome to the Glam Room. Thank you so much for coming if you're new. Thank you for returning if you are an old friend. Today we are going to be doing a review and demo of the Midas Cosmetics and Drench Cosmetics collaboration palette named Genesis. This is a very beautiful palette, and I could not wait to get my hands on it, so I got it, and I'm going to do a review for you. Now, before you get to the review, make sure you click that subscription button so that you can have access to all my content and know exactly when I upload, because, you know, we doing a good thing here and you want to be a part of it. Okay? So I'll see you in a few. Alright guys, like I said in the beginning, we are going to be doing a review and demo of the Genesis palette by Midas Cosmetics and Drench Cosmetics. This is a collab palette between the two brands, and they had been dropping hints for a while, and I was super excited when I saw the colors because I thought they were so pretty. Look at them. Gorgeous, gorgeous, right? It's sometimes warm, sometimes it has cool colors. I think it's a really good mix of the two of them. So this is a 15 pan palette. It has 8 mattes and 7 shimmers. I just really liked the idea of this palette. It had like fat black women on the cover, and I am a fat black woman, so I was like, ooh, representation, I like it, ooh yeah. And even the promotional material for it, they had like really beautiful black brown skinned women, you know, like, and I really love this. And when you open it, right by the mirror, it says you are the blueprint, and I thought that that was really nice too, you know, just because, you know, Black women, we are the originators. We are the blueprint, right? I really like that, and I really like what this palette stands for. These are two really great companies. One is Black owned and one is Afro-Latino owned, and so, you know, we're gonna support like we do on this channel all the time. All right, anyway, let's get into the swatches, and then after that, we're gonna do a demo, and I'll give you my thoughts at the end. So here we are up close and personal with the beautiful packaging from the Genesis palette by Midas Cosmetics and Drench Cosmetics. As you can see, we got some full figure baddies, we got an afro, we got some afros. It looks good, right? All right, so let's open it up and see what's going on inside. So inside we have 15 pans, 8 ultra pigmented mattes, and 7 very buttery shimmers. It's really pretty. I really like it. So I just wanted to like zoom in on the shades so that you guys can see them and have a good idea of what they look like up close. So let's begin the swatches.
So deep inside, got me hot like the summer. Really, no one even knows me like you do. There's not many in my circle, so few. Love how you're my friend and not just a fool. Love it when you say that you're here to stay. I get you mad, but it don't push you away. I know you love me in the sun or the rain. Love the way that you smell.
Alright guys, so those are the swatches. You know I always say do not judge an eyeshadow palette by its swatches. So let's get right into the demo so you can see how it works on the eye. Alright, so we are going to start this demo by making my left eye look exactly like my right eye. We're going to pick up Captivating and we're going to put that directly in the crease. Just want to pack that color on so that we can get it nice and deep. Then we're going to pick up Loved and we're going to use that to blend out Captivating into the transition space, but not a lot because we still have one more color to put on the top of this, which is Magical, and we're going to use that to blend into the brow bone just to give it a softer look. Doesn't look like it now, but once I finish blending, it's going to be perfect. Now we're going to cut the crease with my MAC 195 and some concealer. After that, we're picking up Phenomenal and we are going to put that on the front third of our eye. We're just going to pack that shimmer in to get it as pigmented as we can. We want this to be seamless, so we're picking up the standard and we're going to put that in the middle third of our eye and blend it together with the phenomenal that's on the front third, and then finish it up with captivating in the back just to complete this look. And there you have it. Let's talk about this palette. Okay, so I believe this palette was like $35 if you use my code at either Midas Cosmetics or Drench Cosmetics, which are listed below in the description box. You will get 15% off of the palette, which basically just covers, I think it's about tax and shipping, somewhere around that. So you'll pay around $34 for it, with taxes and shipping taken off because if you use the code. I think it's a really good palette. I really like the color scheme. It has the neutrals in here so you can get away with doing neutral looks if you're going to work or something. And then it has these pops of colors. Usually, you know, palettes will have like a bunch of browns and then a shade of blue, but this gave you a really good range of blue shades. And then it gives you this little pop of pink there, which really works well with the blues and the teals and the browns as well. So I like that, and I think that it is a good little palette for $35. Also, I really like this shimmer here, the standard that I used like right in this area. I just think it's a very unique shade. I just think it's so pretty. It's a really unique shade, and I don't remember seeing it in any palettes that I have already. So I think that this is a really good buy. I think you should go out and get it. I know it was sold out on Midas's site. I don't think it was sold out on Drench's site. I'm not sure if it's limited edition or not, but if you have your eye on it, you should definitely go out and get it because I think that you'll get your money's worth out of this palette. I've used it 2 times already. This is my 3rd time and I'm loving the looks that I've come up with thus far for this palette. Alright, so that is all I have for you guys today. Thank you so much for watching. Thank you for getting us to 1,300 subscribers. Ow, we're at 1,303 or something like that. So, you know, thank you guys a lot for that. And I hope that we can continue to grow over here. So if you like this video, be sure to give me a thumbs up down below. When you give me a thumbs up, it lets YouTube know that you like this video and it pushes this content to other people who may like the same things that you like. So be sure to give me that click. Also, don't forget to subscribe if you haven't already. Make sure you click the notification bell so that you can be a part of the Glam Fam and know exactly when I upload. Do not forget to follow me on Instagram and Twitter at Glamazon1026, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye.